Now that we've created a bunch of content for our site, let's go over one of Drupal's most powerful tools for content management, the bulk content management page. Under shortcuts, one of our options is All Content. This is also available under the Manage tab as the first option here. So I'll click on that. This page allows us to manage all of the content on our site, and it also allows us to do so with what are called bulk operations, meaning we can affect multiple pieces of content at the same time. I'm scrolling down here because I want to also show you that this page has filtering options, making it easy for us to find content that we might want to see. So we can actually filter our content based on specified parameters. If, for example, I would like to see everything of the type article, I can go to this filter and I can say, show me only articles. Click on that, I choose filter, and now if I scroll down, you'll see that there are fewer pieces of content listed, and they're all of the type article. If this were a multilingual site, I could also choose to only look at content of a specific language, or I can search for content if I'm looking for something specific. So let's say I'm looking for articles that have information about spices. Now I've filtered my content down to just one node, which is the article called Exploring Spices. The other thing that is really fantastic about this particular page is it makes it easy for you to affect all of the content at once. So I'm going to go ahead and reset so that I can see more nodes in one go. That wipes away my filters, and now I'm going to scroll down and show you that I see all of the content on my site. Some of this content is published, and some of it is unpublished. So let's say that what I want to do is publish all of my unpublished content, but I don't want to have to go to each specific item to do so. I can either go through my list and look for items that are unpublished and check them off, or I can filter to publish status unpublished, filter. Now I see the two pieces of content that aren't published, and I can check both of them at once. And then using this with selection dropdown, I can make a change. So in this case, I want to publish these two pieces of content at once. I'll choose publish content and then apply. Now I get a notice saying published content was applied to two items, and because I still have the filter set to only show me unpublished items, I don't see any content anymore. If I reset, I'll see all of the content. So this bulk content management page is incredibly useful, and it's a place where anyone responsible for your content might spend a good portion of their time when logged into the site. Another incredibly powerful thing about this page is that it can be customized. For example, if you want different filters at the top, if you want to be able to quickly filter to content that has been promoted to the front page or content that's sticky, then you could add that as a filter at the top where you have published status, type, title, and language. There are also modules that extend the functionality of Drupal that you can get from Drupal.org that will allow you to do more advanced operations with the with selection dropdown, such as change the value of a particular field on multiple pieces of content at once. So add a tag to many of your articles all in one go without having to go in and edit each article individually. Another customization that you'll be able to make to this particular page are the items that show in this table listing the content. So if there's other information that you need to see about the content in this table, such as perhaps the tags that are associated with the content, you can add that to the view here. We will cover how you will make these customizations to this particular display when we go over the views chapter.